So assuming there's an existing account registered on the platform, so here's the roadmap to using the site and showing the navigation. So continue with phone number. Here's a fingerprint authentication that is already included. I've registered for it actually, but in no account we have to set it up. So after setting it up, they will not need usual um, password and username or email after the first login until they log out of the account again after they log out or install the app on other devices. So I won't use the password on the fingerprint authentication. I want to use email. Subsequently, I will be using the password and the fingerprint just to test to check to tell you that it's working. So we have this and sign in. So after signing in, you have your account balance, you have the icons for menu and transaction history. For full details about transaction history, you can come to your wallet. So here in the wallet, you can see the full description, services, amount, date, phone number, token for perhaps exams and electricity. Those are the services that um, that requires token, and this token is what is generated after the purchase. It is this token that will be recharged down your prepaid meter or exam checker that will be used to check results like jump and others. So that's that for that. Loan, this is the loan aspect. You can get a loan, you can check eligibility, like the way it has been programmed, check eligibility. Currently, this user is on loan because it's a test account. So to say user has an active loan, so it won't give the user a loan. So if you want to get a loan, so because this user is on loan, it will tell me I'm not eligible. That for that, complete repayment, number of repayments, rate, anyone that is defaulted will show default, active loan, and user will be asked to pay for the loans. Rejected loan, that is any loan that user applied for and was rejected by the admin. Completed loan, loan cycle that has been completed by the user. uh, Loan history, these are the total information of the loan so far obtained by user and repayment, just like how the transaction has been done. Now we have the profile section, account details, security, contact us, terms and conditions, visit our website, log out. Visit our website will take you to z.ng. Back to the log out will take me to login. Now I want to use my fingerprint to authenticate. So I've inserted my fingerprint and here we are again on the uh home page. So because I log out, I will have to log in. I will have to log in because I've destroyed the session for those password and fingerprint. So none of it should be used to log in again. But for instance, let me log in now with an account here. Then I want to show how the fingerprint authentication works. Now I've logged in right. Now let me close the app. Close the app. So I want to log in maybe for the next time. Zchat. So I'm logging in for the probably another session. After leaving the app, I do closing the app or shutting down my phone. I want to log in. I want to log in on the app again. So this session, I will need password and username. I will only need my fingerprint. But if I log out, I will have to re-log in again. So I think here is it working perfectly. So let's start from test airtime. Test airtime. I say 100 naira. Then phone number transaction pin, then buy a time, charge successful. Take for example, I want to buy data. Let's buy data MTN. Let's buy SME. Let's buy 1 gig. Nice. So data top up successful. That's successful too. Mind you, the data setup will be done after all these installations, setting up of prices, setting up of the codes. Currently, the only one we set up here is just, I think it's maybe 500 gig, 500 maybe 1 gig and 2 thereabout. All these three, the code for buying and all those things are not set up. These are to be done after full installation. These are in-house setup. Like when we get to that area anyway. So they are in-house setup for after the app is fully ready to go out. After we have done the testing, wrapping it up, sending it as APK and every other thing. So the setting up now will require the owner, the prices you want to be selling. If he sees, okay, this plan on his API, the glad tidings, okay, the glad tidings is selling 1 gig for maybe 10 naira. You want to sell this for 20 naira, 30 naira. These are where the setup now comes in and the code setup comes in. So that for that, I think if we purchase, yeah, we purchase data. So let's test to electricity. Let's test with Ikeja. Let me copy the code. Let me copy the code. The code there is 45041. 45041 prepaid. 45401. 45401. 199841. 199841. So says you want to charge like 500. Then let's validate first. One error must be somewhere. Okay. 45401. 45401. So if the prepaid is not correct, it won't print the name. 45401. 199841. Is that correct? 841. Let's try again. Validate. Yeah, so backup were made. That's the information of the current page. So any number can be here, but it is compulsory. Put phone number. It's compulsory. We are grabbing the phone number in case in the future the site owner may want to start sending the token we bought to the user via SMS. That's an advanced features. So there we go. So it has purchased it, and here's the token. The user can screenshot the token for doing recharge of his system. So I think you're left with cable. We have to set up cable code. I will test the cable in the next. I don't want this video to enter 10 minutes. I will test it in the next setup.